Welcome to our channel VD Max Academy. In this video, we are going to see about variation of viscosity with the temperature in the fluids. We know that what are the fluids? That is, the fluids are liquids and gases. Before seeing this concept, we understand some basic things. First one is the cohesive force. Cohesive force is nothing but the force of attraction, that is the attraction force between same type of molecule present at the same material. Example, mercury. The mercury will be attracted to the same type of molecules. It cannot be attracted to any other type of molecules. Mercury will be attracted to mercury only. Then we see another thing, that is molecular momentum transfer. That momentum means the momentum is denoted by the letter P. That is P equal to m into V, where m is the mass and V is the velocity. The molecular momentum transfer is nothing but is the phenomena whereby particle experiencing a force in a liquid drags surrounding particles to move in the same direction. That is, while pouring a liquid towards the earth, all the particles in the liquid experience some force, and all the remaining particles also move in the same direction towards the earth. That is the molecular momentum transfer. Then we can see the first one, the effect of temperature on viscosity in case of liquid. First we see in case of liquid, the effect of temperature on viscosity in the case of liquid. First one is the liquid. In liquids, the effect of temperature on viscosity depends upon two factors. That is, first one is the cohesive force. And second one is the molecular momentum transfer. This is the two factors that depends. This is the two factors on liquids. The effect of temperature depends upon these two things in liquids. The cohesive force plays a predominant role in liquids. First, in liquids, I will give a sample diagram. This is the molecules arranged in the liquids. The molecules are closely arranged. Molecules are closely arranged. Not easily compressible. In first video, we have seen that liquids are not compressible. Third thing is, there will be little free space between molecules. This is the liquid sample I have taken here. The molecules will be arranged closely, not easily compressible. There will be little free space between molecules. While increasing temperature in liquids, it becomes, if we increase temperature, on increasing temperature, what happens means the cohesive force will decreases. Cohesive force decreases. Since on heating some liquid, the thickness of the liquid will be reduced. So cohesive force means the force of attraction. Attraction means the molecules will, on attraction force, the molecules will be closely arranged. While increasing the temperature, that is, while heating the liquid, the molecules, the cohesive force will be broken, so that the molecules cannot be arranged closely. So the cohesive force decreases. And once the cohesive force decreases, the molecular momentum transfer increases. The molecules will be transferred easily. Increases. Since the force of attraction reduces, the molecule will be easily moves. The molecule can move easily. So the molecular momentum transfer increases. In these two facts, one decreases and another one increases. So we cannot say that then viscosity will decreases. For this, the viscosity will decreases. So the viscosity level will get decreased. Since one decreases and another one increases, we can say that viscosity is inversely proportional. Viscosity is inversely proportional to the temperature. We cannot say that is directly proportional. Since one value decreases and another value increases, we can say that it is inversely proportional. The temperature depends upon these two factors in liquids. One decreases and another one increases, so we can say that it is inversely proportional. Then we can see in gases. In gases, the main factor is molecular momentum transfer. The main factor is the molecular momentum transfer. The molecules will be arranged in well-separated manner. Well-separated. Molecules will be arranged in well-separated manner. There will be lots of free space. There will be lot of free space between molecules. On increasing the temperature, the molecules will be flow easily. The molecular momentum transfer increases. Molecular momentum transfer increases. On giving, this is the sample diagram of gas I am taking. There will be lots of free space between the molecules. On increasing the temperature, the molecule can move freely. The kinetic energy will increases. So the molecular momentum transfer increases in gases. So we can say that gases are directly proportional to the temperature. Since the temperature depends upon only one factor, that is molecular momentum transfer. The molecular momentum transfer increases, we can say that gas is directly proportional to the temperature. While liquid is inversely proportional to temperature. Gases are directly proportional to temperature. Then we can see this explanation in words. That is, the effect of temperature on viscosity in case of liquids. It depends upon cogency and momentum transfer. The temperature increases, the distance between molecules increases and the cogency force decreases. The viscosity decreases as temperature increases. We know that the liquids are relatively independent of pressure since it is incompressible. This is the mathematical expansion for effect of temperature on viscosity in case of liquid. That is, mu equal to mu naught into 1 divided by 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Since it is inversely proportional, the temperature value exists at the denominator. This is viscosity at 0 degrees Celsius. The effect of temperature on viscosity in case of gases. It depends only on the molecular momentum transfer. As the temperature increases, more molecules cross over with higher momentum difference. The molecular momentum transfer will increases as temperature increases. So we can say that gases are directly proportional to the temperature. Since it is directly proportional, the T value exists here. That is mu equal to mu naught plus alpha T minus beta T square. This is the mathematical expression for gas. Thanks for watching video.